Hello beautiful people, how are we doing today? Welcome to another video of Lamboglia Law Office, and in today's video we're gonna talk about rentals, the legalities of a rental agreement in Panama. No, not yet. So guys, before you get those keys of your desired rental, there are some recommendations that I am gonna give you, and I hope that you can follow them. So legally in Panama, when you do a rental agreement, this rental agreement should be registered in the Ministry of Vivienda, but honestly in the practice nobody does that. So it's gonna be like more like a private rental agreement. So I've heard many of my clients in this situation. Some of them come, they know someone here, their neighbor, their friend's neighbor, their friend maybe, or some colleague that has a property here, and they want to rent it out to a friend, and that is totally okay. But it is always smart to have something written and signed. So even though you might have some type of relationship of trust, again, it is always smart for both parties to have a rental agreement, something in written and signed. In case anything were to happen, you have proof of basically that rental agreement, right? So I'm gonna give you some pointers of what things should be in your rental agreement so your safety is number one. So guys, a basic rental agreement must have your name, both parties, the landlord and the renter, a complete name like the passport or e-cedula, the e-cedula number or passport number, the nationality. It should have the complete address of the property with the finca number, which is the legal number of the property, the amount of monthly rent, where the rent is gonna be or how the rent is gonna be paid for, the duration of the rental agreement, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, etc. Usually in Panama, rentals agreement are done for at least 6 months. Regularly they're done for 1 year, right? Also, if when you have to pay the rent, the percentage, if there's gonna be an interest rate if you pay after due date, if they allow pets or no, no pets, if they allow pets, super important. The contact info for each parties. Am I forgetting something? Let me just recheck. Very important. Responsibility on both parties. So each party knows what they have to comply for. An example, if the AC just fails to function, who is responsible to pay someone to go and do the repairs? Who is responsible to do the maintenance of the gardening, of the AC, of who has to pay electricity, water, the maintenance fee, electricity bill? All these things have to be in written. It's gonna make your life less stressful, and just it's gonna make you feel safer, right? It is very important that the agreement is signed, if possible the same as your legal document in Panama, again your passport or e-cedula. It is very important here in Panama to always sign the same as your passport or e-cedula. Always also smart to notarize this document in a local notary public, just again to ensure your safety. And another important thing, it is always smart to make sure that the person that is going to sign, in this case, let's say the landlord or administrator, the person that is going to sign the contract is legally able to do so. So they, at least if the owner of the property is not in Panama or is not going to be signing the lease agreement, the administrator of the property, or by any means the person that is going to replace him in that legal process, it is legally entitled to do so. They have to at least have a notarized power of attorney in Panama, allowing them to sign legal contracts on their behalf, or at least signing a lease agreement. But again, they have to have at least this power of attorney, because in case anything goes wrong, you can prove that that you had the documents and that this person was legally entitled by the owner to sign again on their behalf. So this is very, very important, guys. And yeah, it is always smart to keep, the landlord or administrator is going to keep one copy of the rental agreement. You are going to keep another copy. And again, guys, this is going to avoid a lot of confusion, a lot of stress, and you always have, in case something happens, legal written proof of everything that you agreed on, not just a verbal agreement, guys. It is very, very important. So yeah, I hope you find this video very helpful. Again, if you need any reviews on rental agreements, we do help our clients in reviewing rental agreements, in searching due diligence on properties, making modifications on rental agreements, or by any means, if you're a homeowner and you want to rent your property, we also take care of doing the rental agreement for you and ensuring everything goes well through the end. So guys, again, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, go search our Facebook, Instagram, website, and if you have any questions, you can leave them down in the comments or send us a WhatsApp or email. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.